A very good morning, BVPians. How are you all? All fine. Stay home, be safe, students. Now, class 4 students, in previous class, what we discussed? We discussed chapter number 1 of English grammar, that is parts of speech. We all of you know there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, verb, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Understood? Now in today's class we discuss chapter number 2. So all of you take out your grammar book, open page number 5 from your book, students. Now next chapter 2, that is noun. Now let's proceed our chapter 2, noun. Now what is noun? Noun is a word that is used to name a person, place, animal or thing. Children, we in parts of speech we discuss noun, that is naming word are known as noun. Names like person, place, animal or thing. Clear? That is known as noun. Okay children, now see example. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great leader of India. Here Subhash Chandra Bose is a name of person, that is we should highlight this word, so this is known as noun. Now second, always speak the truth. Truth comes in things, students. So truth here truth comes in things. So truth is a naming word, children. Now see kinds of noun. There are lots of kinds of nouns. See children. Now first is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material and abstract. Now in noun there are 5 kinds of noun. First is proper, common, collective, material and abstract. Now let's proceed our first topic, that is proper noun, children. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing, such as. मीन्स नाउन दैट कम इन प्रॉपर, जिसको प्रॉपर नाम दिया गया हो, प्रॉपरली जिस नाम से हम बोलते हैं वो नाउन क्या कहलाता है, वो नेम क्या कहलाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन. जैसे पर्सन है, किसी पर्सन में गोपाल एंड वंदना, गोपाल और वंदना एक पर्टिकुलर नाम है ना, सो दैट इज गोपाल एंड वंदना हेयर प्रॉपर नाउन. नाउ सी प्लेस, दिल्ली इंडिया, सो दीज आर प्रॉपर प्लेस. ठीक है. नाउ थिंग्स, the Taj, the Ganga, these are things name. So that comes in proper noun. Now children, in proper noun there one main thing, that is that should be begin with a capital letter. Means if any word belongs to in proper noun, they begin with a capital words letter. So you understand very easily. They comes in proper noun. Now students, next topic, that is common noun. All of you understood proper noun which come in a proper name. Now what is common? They are common for all. ठीक है, not for a particular. So that comes in common noun. Now see, common noun is a name given in a proper to any and every person or thing of the same class or kind, such as. Means I told you na, proper for a particular and common for all. So the word that comes for all, so they are known as common noun. So see here children, now in person, boy, girl, teacher. Boy for all, not a particular name na. So boy का यहाँ नाम नहीं दिया गया है, बोला गया है that is boy. Now see girl, teacher for common. ठीक है. Now see place, village, town, city, not a particular name mentioned here, only write village. Which village? Not confirm village. So village here is place. Now town, all of you understood. School, where, which school? There are lots of schools now in our city. Where is our school? And if we went to school, our BVP school, so we take a taxi and say भाई हमको school छोड़ दो. So there are lots of schools ना in our cities. So we suggest a particular name कि हमें भारत विद्यापीठ school में छोड़ दो. So that is here school is a common. Understood? And proper here is Bharat Vidyapith School. Understood? Difference between proper and common. Now see thing, book. Only book here, not a name of a book mentioned here. So book here is a common. Now table also common. Train, which train? No mention train. There are lots of trains, special train like Dayodhya Express, Rajdhani Express. So there Dayodhya Express and Rajdhani Express come in a proper. Now here train is come in a common, because no name is mentioned here, they are common for all children. Now next, difference between proper noun and a common noun. Children, see here how to make confirm what is proper and what is common. Now see, Ashoka was a great king. Here Ashoka is the name of a particular king. Now here Ashoka is a name of particular, so here Ashoka is a particular proper noun. Now see here king. King here is a common, because king name was Ashoka. Understood difference? Here Ashoka is a proper because name is there, and king here common. Understood children? Now see, Delhi is a big city. Now children, here Delhi is the particular city. Understood? And he is a big city. Here city is a common. Delhi is a proper name and city is a common. So understood the difference between proper and common. Now see last example. India is a vast country. Means here India is a proper. We discuss. Understood? Proper name. And which country? I don't know which country, but here country is common and India is proper. So all of you understood difference between what is proper and what is common. Common here king, city, country comes in common. Here Ashoka, Delhi, India comes in proper because their names are given mentioned here. But in this king, which king? We don't know. So word king is common. Understood the difference? Now let's proceed our next topic, children. Now our next topic, collective noun. Student, what is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a group or a collection of a thing or person of the same kind taken together and described as one whole, such as. Means collective means जो collect में लिया गया हो और उसे एक ही word में describe करे, they are known as collective nouns. Understood children? Group, पूरे एक group होता है. जैसे हम लोग क्लास में बैठे हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत सारा ग्रुप है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रंस? नाउ सी एग्जाम्पल, अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज कॉल्ड अ क्लास. क्लास में बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रंस हैं, है ना? चिल्ड्रन हैं क्लास में बहुत सारे. सो ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स का जो ग्रुप है, झुंड है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्लास. तभी तो हम बोलते हैं दिस इज फर्स्ट क्लास, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. वी डोंट नो कितने स्टूडेंट्स, बट बहुत सारे ग्रुप में स्टूडेंट, एक स्टूडेंट नहीं है, बहुत सारे. नाउ सी, अ ग्रुप ऑफ कीज इज कॉल्ड अ बंच. सिंगल कीज नॉट अ कम्स इन अ बंच. अ ग्रुप ऑफ कीज, बहुत सारे रूम के कीज कम्स इन अ बंच. सो ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज कलेक्टिव. नाउ ग्रुप ऑफ सोल्जर्स इज नोन एज आर्मी. आर्मी किसको बोलते हैं? जहाँ बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स हो, नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर, दे आर कम्स इन अ ग्रुप. So they are known as, here army is known as collective noun. Understood students? Now here class, bunch, army is comes into an collective noun, children. Now next topic, that is material noun. What is children? What is material noun? A material noun is the name of a matter or substance of which things are made, such as. मतलब matter, material means matter किससे बना है? Understood? वो क्या होता है? Material noun. Now children, example, a chair is made of wood. Chair किससे बनी है? Wood से. So here chair. A coin is made of silver. Coin किससे बना है? Silver से. Clear students? Now see, a ring is made of gold. Ring किससे बनी है? Gold की. Understood children? Children understood? समझ आ रहा है आपको? नाउ हेयर वुड, सिल्वर, गोल्ड. वुड से क्या बना है? चेयर. सिल्वर से क्या बना है? कॉइन. गोल्ड से क्या बना है? रिंग. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज मटेरियल नाउन चिल्ड्रन? नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हाट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. व्हाट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन चिल्ड्रन? एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ सम फीलिंग्स, क्वालिटी, एक्शन और स्टेट. And abstract nouns can only be felt or thought of it. Means abstract nouns जिसे हम न देख सकते हैं, सिर्फ हम फील कर सकते हैं. So that comes in an abstract noun. We only can felt, और जिसके बारे में हम फील कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं, सिर्फ वही वर्ड्स क्या कहलाते हैं, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, जिसे हम ना देख सकते हैं, ना कुछ टच कर सकते हैं, ना कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो दिस कम्स टू एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, जिसे हम ओनली फील कर सकते हैं। नाउ सी हियर फीलिंग, फील कर रहे हैं, जॉय, सॉरो, दुख, खुशी हम फील करते हैं, कभी हम उसे देख सकते हैं, नहीं देख सकते, टच कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते, सो उसे हम फील कर सकते हैं। नाउ क्वालिटी, ऑनेस्टी आप देख सकते हो, नहीं, ब्यूटी देख सकते हो, नहीं, सिर्फ आप फील कर सकते हो, आप देख सकते हो क्या, नहीं, ओनली यू कैन फील इट। नाउ सी एक्शन, टैप, मूवमेंट, फ्लाइट, आप लोग ये सब देख सकते हो क्या, नहीं, सिर्फ फील कर सकते हो। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? या सोच सकते हो। स्टेट, चाइल्डहुड, बॉयहुड, पॉवर्टी, गरीबी, गरीबी कभी आपने देखी है, आप देख नहीं सकते, कभी टच किया है, नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ ओनली आप फील कर सकते हो। दोज वर्ड्स विच कम टू इन फीलिंग्स, क्वालिटी, एक्शन, स्टेट, what is feeling you have understood, quality, action, state, this words we cannot touch, we only can feel or thought it, so these words are known as the abstract noun, children. Now our next, now children, there are lots of things, we can touch it or we can count it, so there are काउंटेबल नाउन्स एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन चिल्ड्रन, जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं, जिसे हम नहीं गिन सकते, जिसे गिन सकते हैं दे आर नोन एज काउंटेबल, और जिसे नहीं गिन सकते दे आर नोन एज अनकाउंटेबल। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, काउंटेबल नाउन आर द नाउन दैट वी कैन काउंट, सच एज बॉय, कितने बॉयज हैं हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, कितनी गर्ल्स हैं हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, कितनी टेबल्स हैं हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं, चेयर, हाउसेज एक्सेट्रा, दीज नाउन्स आर नोन एज countable because we can count it. Now what is uncountable noun? Uncountable noun are the noun which we cannot count or usually don't count, such as, जिसे हम गिन भी नहीं सकते और हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि हम गिनने के बाद, राइस है, वीट, शुगर, पेपर, क्लोथ, वाटर एक्सेट्रा, कभी आप राइस है आप गिन सकते हो, दे आर लॉट्स ऑफ इन अ क्वांटिटी अमाउंट, यू कांट काउंट इट बिकॉज योर हेयर्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर हेयर्स, if anyone count your hairs children, कोई गिन सकता है अपने hairs, how many hairs you have? No, that's come to an uncountable noun. Now in today's class children, what we discuss noun, kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material and abstract noun. Now our next is countable noun and uncountable. In today's class we discuss. Now all of you understood what is countable noun and nouns, kinds of nouns. Now today's homework, read chapter number 2 from your book children, and understood what I teach you. If any doubt please ask me. Now in next class we discuss our next topic. Now that is sufficient for today children. Now stay home, be safe, read chapter number 2 at home children.